35 watt panels. So we have 2.25 kilowatt of power available to us, and we're using Victron controllers for it. I have two of the Victron MPPT 150 charge controllers, and mounted them. There's 3 home runs from each solar array, so I have a total of 6 panels. It has no problem running a 9,000 BTU mini split, and it's been running 24/7 for 4 days now, and really not a problem at all. We are hooked to shore power, and there is a transfer switch, so should I run out of power at night, it will automatically switch over. When you switch back from shore power to the solar, there is almost no delay in it coming on. However, when you go from solar to shore power, there is a 30-second delay between the power, which is not a big deal. On the inside, we use a pure sine wave inverter. It's 3,000 watt, and it's 24 volts. We're running a 300 amp fuse and a disconnect for it. We're using 2 Chins 12 volt 300 amp hour batteries running series. So we're running a 24 volt system at 300 amp hours. And then we're running the Victron shunt, which shows how much voltage you're pulling, how much it's charging, and that kind of stuff. Works really well. As you can see, it has all of the charge controllers and the shunt on it. Even has a Bluetooth battery charger when it's hooked up. But as you can see right now, we're at 27 volts, and we have 14 amps. And the solar array one is putting out around 700 watts, and the second one is putting out about the same, and about 25 amps a piece. So we're putting plenty of juice back in the batteries to make it all run. We've been running now about 4 days on solar only, and we're running a mini split and refrigerator and LED lights, and seem to have no problem. As you can see, it's 10:58 in the morning, and the batteries are fully charged. We're running all night, and the temperature is going to be about 85 again today. So not too bad. We're just pulling power, building a little heat. Now the fans will come on. It doesn't really affect the operation of it. It's minimal as how much it's pulling on it. So overall, we're really happy with the Victron and the pure sine wave inverter.